私のこと好き？
This is another one that I kind of like didn't plan on talking about, but if you could give a quick 5-minute rundown on this Tojima Tanzaburo, Kamen Rider.
Tojima wants to be a
Kamen Rider. Was it just because your interest in tokusatsu, or you happen to found it by accident or?
Tak, actually I knew about it waktu the first keluar trailer like awal tahun ni.
Okay.
The first trailer, and then I was like, I think I got the trailer on my FYP because I like tokusatsu generally. Well, no, I'm more of a Super Sentai Power Rangers guy.
Okay.
Tapi Kamen Rider when I was younger, I was into it juga. Tapi dah lama tak follow. Lama tak follow Kamen Rider, so yeah. Tapi I still like tokusatsu. I'm familiar with tokusatsu, so I was looking forward to ni lah. Tapi and then I started watching, and best lah. The series is about dia memang relatable, especially untuk fans tokusatsu yang dah lama, sebab protagonist dia pun like orang tua, like 40 tahun, and dia like obsessed with Kamen Rider daripada kecil. And then bila dia besar, dia nampak ada orang robbing convenience store pakai shocker, organisation jahat, villain from the Kamen Rider punya tu. Orang pakai macam shocker organisation tu. So dia rasa macam this is my moment. Dia dah train.
Dia dah train
daripada kecil. Sebab dia macam all his life dia macam dia tak buat apa-apa yang remarkable, sebab dia grow up pun dia lalas, dia kerja jadi like construction worker.
Okay.
And then dia hidup pun like by his alone. So dia macam tak ada buat apa with his life sampai benda ni jadi, and then dia rasa macam I don't know, dia rasa inspired nak suit up atau lawan, nak jadi macam vigilante. Nak jadi Kamen Rider.
So dia macam a bit deluded lah. He think he can do this kind of things.
Yes, sort of lah. So at first I thought macam I started watching this, macam I thought dia macam akan ada like The Boys vibe, macam a bit grounded. Macam apa orang kata, brutal and grounded. Macam maybe dia suit up, lepas tu dia kena blast off, and then maybe it's very macam realistic. Tapi tak. It turns out this series is lagi dia ada macam fantastical element, and dia focus more on comedy dia and trope dia. Macam dia apa orang kata, dia guna trope of tokusatsu punya tropes untuk make fun and poke fun, tapi at the same time macam siapa yang familiar with the genre memang best lah tengok.
I see. I mean, I've just moved this up forward, the name of the seiyus in this. I noticed the guy who's playing the Kamen Rider is a person that doesn't look like a seiyu but more like an actor, called Fujioka Hiroshi. Masalahnya ML dia tak bagi information sangat on live action. Were you aware whether one of the voice actors was actually an actor?
He was one.
He's the guy.
He was one. I think he was one of the former Kamen Rider. Dia pernah jadi one of the Kamen Rider. I don't remember which Kamen Rider.
Okay.
Tapi kira dia macam dia cameo. I think in the opening of this song or something, dia suara dia like part of dia buat music. Ada sebab music dia macam very tokusatsu style. Ada satu part dia macam Rider. Dia macam jerit Rider. I think suara dia.
Okay, opening theme dia nama Wannabe by Teddy Lloyd featuring Shigeru Matsuzaki, and for the Shigeru Matsuzaki. Okay, that guy was Fujioka Hiroshi. No, it's somebody else. And then ending there one more time by Teddy Lloyd featuring Ryoji Tokito again. It's not that Fujioka Hiroshi lah. Tapi the main guy lah, Tojima tu is voiced by Konishi Katsuyuki, which is the voice actor for Tengen Uzui in Demon Slayer. the Hashira with 3 wives, the one that got his arm chopped off and left eye taken off. Yang Nezuko pegang dia, wife dia yang bodoh, wife nombor 3 dia. Hey, dia tak mati lagi ah. Kau nak cremate ke buat apa? You deserve a spanking. Dengan hingus keluar besar, mata juling. That was so funny. I was laughing because Nezuko macam betul keluar api. Betul muka Tengen macam betul dah. Oh, the poison's gone. Okay.